All right, we're back up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and I pulled off the side of the road to do a little walk around here. We're in the middle of a test drive, and I'm gonna go ahead and walk around this whole car, try to find all the flaws I can find so you know exactly what you're buying before you get here. This here's a 1968 Camaro with a 5.7 350 under the hood, 4-wheel disc brakes all the way around on a set of coys. It's also got upgraded pulleys under the hood here with power steering. Spiffed up motor, a little bit of chrome added to it. Valve covers and air cleaner. Coming around the back here, dual exhaust. Anything I see, I'm gonna point out. I want you to know everything before you get here. Check out my website, maplemotors.com. I got finance and shipping information, 100 detailed pictures, and all of our inventory is on there, and we just updated it yesterday. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We're gonna get started here. Right off the bat, I see a couple little chips right here in the front end. It's like a little blemish in the stripe there. The grill's in pretty good shape. Do have a little chip here. Insulation looks good up under the hood. Got a couple chips right there in the fender. Looks like some overspray on the side of the car too. They painted the top here black. Almost guarantee it had a vinyl top on it. See all the little bubbles and stuff popping up from where they painted it. Lots of little dimples and bubbles that I can push down up here. Basically air pockets under the paint. There's some chipping up here in the middle. The roof's probably the worst part of this whole car. Coming down the side of the car, we got some more overspray. I think most of that probably buff off. We're gonna look at the bottom panels. Then we're gonna go all the way back to the front, making sure there wasn't no rust down in the panels there. We got a crack coming straight down here. You can tell where there's been some body work. I bet you there'll be a seam on the inside of this panel. Yeah. Coming down the middle section of the panel here. Decent. Then you got some bubbles popping up. Real small. Same in the door. Air pockets. All right, guys, the mirror is in pretty good shape on this one. The door handle looks pretty good. You can see this line where they painted it. Not the greatest. Get some more bubbles popping up here. The weather stripping around the trunk looks great. Yet the water's probably coming in from the back window. We have a little bit of moisture in here. I didn't clean it out because it rained yesterday, and I pulled it out today. And we're not gonna hide anything, so it does leak a little bit of water. The package tray here's got some rust on it. It's not rotted out or anything, just looks like some surface rust. You gotta think of the age of the car though, especially if it's been leaking that long. Shuts down pretty good, nice and solid feeling. I got a magnet tag on the bumper here. And our bumper has got some scratches, imperfections on it. If you get real close here, you can see them. Dual exhaust out the back. Coming down this side, we're going to do the same thing. We'll start at the bottom, come up the midsection, and end on the top. Light scratch down here in the bottom. A little bit of thick paint right there. Edge of the door has got some bubbles in it. Same with the front here. All right, coming back to midsection. This side looks a whole lot better than the passenger side. Still got your dimples, stuff right here above the door handle. Light scratch right there. Coming back on the top section. Little crack coming up the back. Some bubbles on the top still. And sanding marks doing like this. Mirrors look pretty good. Missing a trim piece below the front windshield. Got a chip right here. We'll be laying down the hood before the end of the video for sure. But for now, we're gonna go ahead and head on to the inside, get her started up, and give you some undercarriage shots. Door panel's in great shape. It looks fairly new. Somebody has replaced it. Weather stripping around the door looks pretty good. You can see there's some filler in the corner of this door. Carpet could be better. It's a little faded up there in the front. I like the seats. They got a good look to them. Back seat's in great shape as well. Panels look good all the way around, but our headliner, it's gone. Need a headliner. Go ahead, place your bets. You think the horn works on this one? We'll go ahead and sit down in here and start her up. Dash is in good shape. You got some extra cup holders. I like this, but I don't like this because you have to pull it like that. You can't just grab a hold of it because your hand won't fit down in there. Go ahead, start her up. Starts right up. All the gauges are working down here. Our gas gauge is working as well. Speedo's working. I'll show you the mileage, but I can't stand behind that. AC's working. I mean, not AC. It probably heat. You hear the blower motor kick on. It don't have AC on it, guys. All right. Gets the cup holders and a radio that we have the face to in the office. Wipers, can't get them to work. They may be unhooked. May have to mess with them. They're not working right now. Horn, no horn on this one. It's got a great sound to it. Also got electric fans up here. Nice to have. Motor's nice and quiet. Coming down with the hood. Just shake it a little bit stiff. Shuts down good. All right, guys, I'm gonna give you some undercarriage shots now. We're gonna start up in the front, go all the way around the car, Check out maplemotors.com to see the detailed pictures. That way you know everything about it. Let's look under it. I do appreciate y'all watching. If you don't mind, go to maplemotors.com for financing, shipping information, all of our inventory, and detailed pictures of every car. We always list the price on all of our cars. Just go on over to the website, check it out. If it's not there, the car's not available. Also, check out the test drive video. We're about to jump back in this car, take off, and finish that. We got plenty to do today, so we're gonna get to it. I'm gonna push these videos out to you, get as many cars as I can online. Let's do it, guys. I appreciate y'all sharing these videos and watching. Y'all have a good night. Test drive video is located in the last 30 seconds of this video, so check it out.